I bet you thought there was more. Nope, there's not.
Honey, call the police.
Sister!
Brown sugar.
Eggy! Lard!
I need nut instructions.
Cinnamon! Woo! 2 eggies! Oh, this is thick!
You were swimming in animal fat. How does it feel?
Brown sugar! 6 eggies! Cinnamon!
Oh, that hurts.
Hello.
You're gonna die here. Yes.
And 1 very lonely, very dead eggy! What exactly are we trying to raise up? Hope? Hello. Ooh. Since I'm not daft, I've converted that to 3 cups. Synonym! Vigorous whisking! What counts as vigorous? Oh boy! Eggies!
Good heavens. Yeet. Fold.
I really just JFK'd this cake. Fire! Now, if you're in my line of work, chances are you handle a great deal of nuts. It simply comes with the territory, and it's a great perk.
But the nut and lard nuts. I hate this.
Next up is 3 eggies beaten. Put them up! Fire!
Butter go boom.
Eggy! Wakey, wakey! Bloop! Cinnamon!
Chocolate.
Fire!
Honey, would you like Earl Grey or pork? I'll take a divorce.
Sugar! Bloop!
Currants.
Peel! Apple juice! What?
Ginger. Don't say it, Dylan.
Cinnamon!
1, 2, 3.
How big is this cake? I'm angry. They have kangaroos. 1 cup of oats. I love oats. They taste like grandparents. I mean, they don't taste like... Fire! Oh.
Good night.
Good morning. Fire! Pastry!
Gotta use your fingies. Yummy, yummy.
Cinnamon! Mo juice! Eggy! 4!
I'm sorry, but we have to let you go. It's been 13 months. What if I told you I hate pie?
Oh boy, it's thick!
Blind bake the pastry. Are you still here? Damn it.
1 eggy! Oh, cornmeal on the floor! Mix cookies. Huh?
Whoa.
1 eggy! Fire!
How long does sadness take to cook? We want the bread to rise, not generate thrust.
Meow.
Sugar! Water! Fire! Craft time!
Oh, you crafty.
Do I call the police or a priest? A priest.
Honey, there's been an accident. I'm bleeding.
Oh, what? How did that not stick? Are you a witch? 4 eggies! Fire! You are banished.
Has it unionized?
God damn. Fire! You know, in the story of my life, Lard is the closest thing I've ever had to a nemesis. Fire! Fire! A half cup of lard. Just give up. Don't make a cake.
No, this is not worth it. It's not. Oh no. Oh no, ma'am. Just no.
Christmas time means sugar time. Done.
Hello, Dolly.
Fire! Finally 1 eggy. Beating thoroughly. Fire!
Then you just...
Fire!